Guys, this is Lhasa multi-cuisine garden restaurant. So आज हम जा रहे हैं Lhasa. Let's give you a different food taste from Kashmir. So let's get in. So guys, with me is Beroz and our always one of my mates, Tasawwur Shafi. And this is the way it will go online. So we have come at Lhasa. It's one of the restaurants for Chinese food in Kashmir. So we have the menu. It's Lhasa specialties. So you have a lot of options. So we will order something and review that up later. So you can see that on the blog. So as of now, I'll be showing you the other aspects of the same restaurant. So Filhal, these guys are resting, waiting for they've ordered something. I don't know what they've ordered, but we'll just see what they've ordered and we're gonna eat that.
We call it
Starters, right?
Yeah, chicken, horn sauce.
Filhal, मुझे इनके starters पता है. They will start with the soup as always. We've got something over here on the table. As of now, we have something. Might order something. Okay. So we have starters on the table. Let's get started. It's chicken, hot and sour. So guys, here we are. Butter chicken and chow mein. ये typically एक roti है. It's called naan, right? So we will be giving you reviews about the food. First and foremost, the best part starting was the sausages, because that defines entirely what the food can be. If the sausages are not good, then man, you should leave that restaurant.
Here goes butter chicken. Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy.
मिटा दे सारे गम. मुझे चाहिए बबल गम. आज का दिन
So Behroz जो हैं वो पहला बाइट खा रहे हैं बटर चिकन का. Let's. How was it, man? Expression से काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
This is the real Chinese butter chicken.
Chinese real butter chicken. Yeah. Okay. So it's one of the good reviews.
Oh, yeah.
But जो भी था, but I was really surprised with these sausages. The game is off. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin means thanks to Almighty God, and you provided, we ate it. Now देखिए जी, मेरी बेहतरीन आइटम ये है. See, I've been repeating this because I love the sausage, guys. Okay, so Baki, we had everything. So guys, whosoever wants to come to Kashmir and quench the thirst of Chinese food, this place is a must. You must come here, enjoy the Chinese food with the proper aroma. Like जो एक Chinese food की खासियत होती है, the quality of spices, they maintained it. Whether it be a chow mein, whether it was the butter chicken that we had, and the hot and sour soup, the quality was quite good and the quantity was okay, and provided they have maintained the taste. भाई the best part जो मुझे काफी attractive लगा, the red is always attractive. So interiors were quite good, food was awesome, and I'm talking about these things. So guys, time to go home. अभी ये लोग पता नहीं क्या बातें कर रहे हैं, so we have to reach back home, and Allah Hafiz.
See how we make vlogs.
So guys, do like and subscribe our channel on the YouTube. We need your support. One of the best parts, you know what, here you have everything. You have a different pleasant, like ajeeb sa mahol. It's so beautiful. Like, you know what, you can sit here, enjoy these pleasant lights, and awesome. So there is today's special as well. It's on the board, whatever. It's romali roti, more lasun tikka and mushrooms, whatever. So I think my mates are calling me. I have to go.
See how we make vlogs.
So guys, do like and subscribe our channel on the YouTube. We need your support. We're clicking pictures. So फिलहाल बाहर निकलते हैं. So Lhasa multi cuisine garden restaurant was amazing for us. I really enjoyed it. Now we're going back home. So in the meanwhile, there are a lot of shops aside where you can buy a lot of stuff. You can see Lhasa Arts. If you want to buy these perfect pieces, so you need to come over here and buy them. एक जनाब अंदर ही फंसे पड़े हैं, अभी निकल नहीं रहे रेस्टोरेंट से. तसव्वुर शफी. दूसरे साहब मुझे यहाँ से चिल्ला रहे हैं कि आना है कि नहीं. इसने मुझे खराब कर दिया.